Shanghai INNOTEC Welding Technology Company Limited is a professional manufacturer specializing in the research, development, manufacturing, and sales of robotic welding torches and manual welding, cutting torches. With over 20 years of expertise in professional manufacturing and research and development design, the company has workshops covering 40,000 square meters and 350 professional staff. It is a trusted global provider of welding solutions. Our company has a research and development and design team of over 50 professionals, enabling independent design and manufacturing of the complete torches and key components, ensuring product superiority, leadership, stability, and rapid delivery. For robotic welding torches, we provide not only standard products, but customized welding solutions. All products are CE certified and comply with RoHS standards, making them compatible with robotic arm worldwide. They have been widely applied in automotive, construction machinery, steel structure, and shipbuilding industries.